It's always been there, standing between you and your health. A wall. Between a pain that won't disappear and a doctor who magically appears. Between a long wait on a hospital bench and staying right where you are, at home. Between finding yourself out of medicines and finding them at your doorstep, whatever the time. Between years of health records all over the place and all your records in one organized access from anywhere place. Between your current regimen and the recommended routine. The wall. We don't need it anymore. Say hello to Apollo 24/7. This is India's largest end-to-end omni-channel healthcare ecosystem, designed to touch more lives than ever before and delivering its promise in 3 important ways. 1. Listen. Talk to us anytime from anywhere. We've got 7,000 doctors and 30,000 healthcare professionals listening. 2. Advise. We'll give you expert advice you can rely on because it comes from India's #1 healthcare provider. 3. Assist. We bring you India's largest health network of pharmacies, clinics, hospitals and health insurance experts. 20 million people already trust us for their care, and a further 50,000 people are discovering this every day. Apollo 24/7. Expertise is for everyone.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Health Hour with Apollo 24/7 Experts. We are here to clear all your doubts. Apollo has been reaching out to almost 20 million people, even while we are restricted at our home. The COVID times have actually restricted us in many ways. We are physically restrained, we are mentally panicking. There is so much of fear everywhere. So here we are bringing you the expert advice, bringing you everything that Apollo Hospital can serve you physically into your hand. That is the Apollo 24/7 app. If you have not downloaded the app yet, please go ahead, download the app right now to see the wonderful features where you can book a consultation with your doctor, you can book your diagnostics, you can buy medicines, you can access all your health records at one time and many more services that you can do. And today we're going to talk about boosting our immunity while being at home. This is so important in these times. And we have been facing so many, we are flooded with information. Immunity boost karo, ye karo, immunity ke liye ये तागो, immunity ke liye ye khao. अरे कितना करेंगे और क्या क्या नहीं करते आ रहे हैं. So let's understand from the experts. I'm going to have expert doctors who are going to talk to you. And now you can ask all the questions. Please go ahead, chat box में आपके questions and queries जो भी है, please go ahead and type so that I can ask your questions on behalf of you to the doctors. So also, I have questions to be asked, quizzes tonight. You can answer the quiz and win an exciting gift from Apollo 24/7. So let's start. Also watch till the end. We are going to give away some discount coupons and vouchers. Don't miss your chance to win them. Let us start today. I'm going to invite my first doctor. We are going to have Dr. Ravi Kiran Garu, who is going to talk to us. But in a while, I just wanted to tell you something here. I completely forgot about this. You know, I was shooting yesterday. I was in the sets. And this one thing, this spray had helped me to actually keep myself safe. I was feeling so safe and protected. You know, I was doing my finale last night. I had the trophies, certificates, cups, everything to be handled and handed over to somebody else. So this spray had helped me. This is a disinfectant spray from Apollo Life. And I was like, damn, assured of disinfected services. And how does this happen? I have a video to share with you. Let's have a look at this AV on.
Here's how long the coronavirus will last on surfaces and how to disinfect those surfaces. Paper material, 24 hours. Fabric, 24 hours. Glass surfaces, 4 days. Copper, 4 hours. plastic and stainless steel. 72 hours. Disinfecting surfaces is the primary way of controlling the spread of virus. At Apollo hospitals, we use multi-surface disinfectant spray. It's the most convenient and safest way of disinfecting surfaces.
So that's it, and I was staying safe with this disinfectant. Now talking about immunity, जो बाहर रहता है वो रहता है, पर अंदर से अगर आप तंदुरुस्त हो, if you're strong from inside, if your immunity is strong, then you are dealing with it. ये हम लोग सुनते आ रहे हैं, ఇది మనం వింటూనే ఉన్నాం, ఎన్ని చేస్తున్నాం, but ఈ season లో we have so much to face. Other than COVID, it is a season of rains and infectious diseases. So we have an expert today who's going to talk about building our immunity. And can I invite Dr. Ravi Kiran Barigalagaru, who's an infectious disease consultant at Apollo Hospitals. And ఆయన అసలు ఎంత వర్క్ చేస్తూ వచ్చారో. నమస్తే డాక్టర్ గారు, వెల్కమ్ టు ది షో.
నమస్తే అండి.
నమస్తే అండి. ఇందాక నేను చెప్పినట్టు దిస్ ఇస్ ద సీజన్ వేర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ స్టార్ట్స్. ఒకరి నుంచి ఒకరికి అంటుకునే సీజన్ కి వచ్చేసాం. ఇట్ కుడ్ బి cough, it could be sneezing, it could be colds, it could be other influenzas or virus, everything. So while in the COVID time, how seriously we need to consider immunity?
అవునండి, ఈ కాలంలో అసలు ఇమ్యూనిటీని చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోవాలి మనం. సో unless we take care of our immunity, we are going to be in trouble. As you can see, so many cases are rising every single day. We have hundreds, thousands of cases. Even in just Telangana area now, we have had more than 1,000 cases for several days now. So we have to take care of some steps to prevent. We keep hearing about ways to prevent our body from getting an infection, catching an infection. Just now you saw an ad about disinfectants and how by that you can limit social distancing, and about the wearing of masks, which will prevent us from catching an infection. What are some other ways of preventing infections? And that is what we are going to talk about. Try to boost your immunity. And what are the ways that we can boost your immunity? Are there different things that you could do? And particularly, what are those things? And what are some things we should avoid, which will help us boost our immunity also? There are some good foods, there are some bad foods. And what are those good and bad ones?
And exactly from the expert is what you want to hear, right? There's so much of information floating around. And everybody is suggesting everything and everybody is doing everything, Dr. Garu, right now. So how much is good to boost and how much is to be avoided?
There is really no limit to being good or no limit to try to avoid bad. As you know, everything is in limits though. If you just keep eating some good foods and that is all that you eat, you may miss out on something else. There is not just one food or one type of food which will be good.
Right.
Even the best food, even too much, will limit you from getting something else which may be good too.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And some things, like we say, fast foods are not good. Okay. But you have to think through about it and listen. Let's say you have a birthday. You can have a piece of cake. It is okay to have a piece of cake. But if you do that every single day, then you will be in trouble.
Right, right. So you understand where you have to draw the line. Done. And now everybody is drinking some kind of herbal tea or kashaya bolo, kada bolo, or adding lot of herbs and lot of, we've been hearing about these ginger boliye, pepper boliye, lot of these things, haldi, turmeric, pasupu, that andaru add chestunnaru palatoti. So aloe vera, everything is being added into food right now. Is this good?
Well, I'll give you the medical answer, the scientific answers.
Okay.
Scientifically, there's been very few things which have shown to conclusively prove that any substance definitely is going to stop, especially like what we're worried about is COVID. There's no particular thing that has shown a particular benefit. Having said that, there are some general principles that we take care of, which will help us prevent any infections, which will by boosting our immunity. Okay. Traditionally, for years and years and centuries, we have been using certain products like what you have already mentioned to boost our immunity. and they seem reasonable, and I think that is okay. But there is again a point of um, understanding and wisdom. Like I've heard of people just forcing themselves and forcing their kids and parents to try to drink some things which they don't like, and because of which they are not having any other appetite and actually not eating anything else.
Yes,
That doesn't not help you.
true.
Everything in moderation. Like turmeric, most of our Indian foods that we make has turmeric in it.
Exactly.
You don't need to add too much more turmeric and make food unpalatable. అప్పుడు తినాలని అనిపించదు, తాగాలనిపించదు. Then you're actually missing out on the good stuff. So everything in moderation. Do some things. And I personally, I'm not taking any kashayams. I'm not taking any special things. I use uh, a good, simple, balanced diet every day. And that is what I've been trying to do for decades.
Wonderful. So ఒక రోజులో వచ్చేది एक दिन में जो पिएंगे, एक दिन में जो आप खाएंगे, इम्यूनिटी उससे नहीं बढ़ेगा. It is not one day, according to Dr. Garu. It's going to be a everyday practice. రోజు అదే చేయండి, మంచి పని చేయండి. Dr. Garu, everybody now seems to be with different practices like steam inhalation. Season has changed. It is also cloudy, rainy, and moist, humid everywhere. So we are
Right.
prone to catch infections like cold, other cough, and other symptoms. So will steaming help?
Steaming is for soothing of your throat and your sinuses. When they become clogged up with any infection or inflammation, you inhale the steam, which will help unclog it.
Okay.
If it is already unclogged, it doesn't do anymore. You cannot open something which is already opened up.
సో లోపల ఉన్నది చచ్చిపోతుందేమో, లోపల ఏమైనా వైరస్లు ఉంటే అవి చచ్చిపోతాయేమో నేను స్టీమ్ ఇన్హేల్ చేస్తే అనే ఒక నానుడి ప్రచారం.
Exactly. There is really no scientific basis to that. I've heard of so many people doing it, and some people use it like yoga lo pranayamu variety chestaru. They put some water through your nose, and some sinusitis patients ki nose blockage in the patients ki that may be a reasonable thing. Personally, I wouldn't advise everybody just every day do steaming.
Right.
Because also what you're doing, your mouth, your nose, your throat has millions and crores of good bacteria and viruses.
True.
When you do it unnecessarily, you're also killing some good ones in addition to the bad ones. The good ones will help you protect viruses and other infections also. You cannot live in a without bacteria. We need good bacteria also. We need the good viruses also, which will help us and help our immunity also. So don't try to kill off everything.
So
In reality,
inhalation is only for person who has symptoms.
for symptoms, somebody who has symptoms, definitely use steam inhalation. That will help you feel better symptomatically. Throat pain undi, దగ్గొస్తుంది,
Block
ముక్కు నుంచి బాగా చీముడులాగా వస్తుంది, తల పట్టేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది, హెవీ అనిపిస్తుంది. అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి స్టీమ్ ఇన్హలేషన్ ఈజ్ అ గుడ్ థింగ్. ఐ వుడెంట్ అడ్వైస్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీబడి టు డూ ఇట్ బిఫోర్ హ్యాండ్. ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ హెల్ప్ యూ.
Great. So everybody is asking the live chat lo questions start అయిపోయినాయి. I'll take their questions కాసేపట్లో. You keep sending your questions. Audience, lovely questions. I can see great engagement happening, Dr. Garu. I'll divert the questions to you in a while. But next in our question ఏంటంటే food and nutrition లో you have been saying that it's very important to have good food for a decent period, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you suggest, Andy? What are the foods that you have to avoid, చెప్పండి?
Okay. The foods that you avoid on a regular basis are more whatever you call as the junk foods, which are we know foods are bad for you. Foods which have too much oil, fried foods, or just fast foods which don't really have good nutritious value. So things like that are not very good. Let's say you fry every day. Once in a while is fine, but on a daily basis, you fry vegetables or non-veg. That is just not good for you. Okay. Too much salt is also not good for you.
That's right.
Or too much cakes, too much sugary foods, anything which got a lot of high sugar content. అలాంటి ఎక్కువ తీసుకోవడం మంచిది కాదండి. అలాంటివి తీసుకుంటే you are again decreasing your immunity levels.
So quickly, people have been asking immunity gurinchi. There are so many myths ani. Corona ki immunity ki unna sambandham gurinchi highlight chestunaru. There are a lot of beliefs and also myths which are floating around. So is corona or COVID-19 actually is there any relation between immunity and COVID? Will boosting immunity help?
Yes, definitely. COVID seems to cause severe disease in people who have lower immunity.
Right.
And especially type of immunity which seems to decrease with age. So like children who have less immunity also,
Right.
for some reason, they are not necessarily dying because of COVID, very rarely.
Correct.
But at the same time, people who are older, especially with other problems, they are definitely much more likely to die. There seems to be some process that happens over period of time that weakens your immunity, like decades, 60, 70, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళ ఇమ్యూనిటీ తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఎస్పెషల్ అదర్ కండిషన్స్ ఏదైనా అయ్యాయి అని అంటే లైక్ డయాబెటీస్ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ దట్ డిక్రీజెస్ యువర్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ. ఎవరైనా కీమోథెరపీ మీద ఉన్నారు, హెచ్ఐవి పేషెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ కండిషన్ దట్ విల్ డిక్రీజ్ యువర్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి కోవిడ్ ఆర్ వేరే ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయండి. ఆర్ వచ్చినా కానీ సివియర్ డిసీజ్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి.
True. So a lot of people who are asking me, how do we boost immunity? Are there any specific medications or multivitamins which will help me boost immunity?
Okay. So other than foods, there are few things that do seem to help, but there is no necessarily conclusive proof at a ledandi. Absolutely, there is no one multivitamin that has been shown COVID lo idi iste మీ immunity పెరిగిపోతుంది, COVID రాదు మీకు అని. There is no product or no medicine that has or food which has been shown to conclusively do that. There are some general things which do help.
Okay.
I generally do not advise a multivitamin for everybody, but if there are people who don't have a good balanced diet, alanti vallaki multivitamin తీసుకుంటే it may be helpful, especially if people who just eat one type of product, one type of foods. They don't like curd, they don't like eggs, they don't like meat, they don't like certain vegetables or fruits. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా మల్టీవైటమిన్ తీసుకుంటే it may be good for your health overall.
Right. But not for everybody every day. అయితే మీరు సజెస్ట్ చేయరు
లేదండి. Even in corona times అండి, I don't take a multivitamin every day.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay.
Because everybody is suggesting through WhatsApp, आज vitamin C लो, आज D लो, zinc लो, magnesium लो, everybody is suggesting.
Exactly. I don't do that. I personally believe in a good food, good nutritious food, balanced food, all different types of foods,
Okay.
different proportions of foods. I eat a fruit, I eat salad, I eat curd, I eat rice, chapatis, nuts, cereals,
Okay.
green vegetables.
It's through the fresh food and produce, Dr. Garu, that you say that all these
Yes.
vitamins and multivitamins should come through your fresh produce అని అంటున్నారు మీరు. సో
Yes.
చాలా మంది క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ఈ ఒక్క దెబ్బతోటి ఆన్సర్ చేసేసినట్టండి. శ్రీహరిరావు చింతపల్లి గారు, మీ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసింది. అది ఏజ్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ ఇస్ డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ ఏజ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. వైటమిన్ సి రోజు చూ చేయాలా అని అడిగారు కదండి నాగమణి గారు, చెప్పేశారు డాక్టర్ గారు. తినండి ఆహారంలో, చప్పరించకండి టాబ్లెట్లు అని చెప్పేశారు, ఆహారం ద్వారా తినండి అని చెప్పారు. సో దేర్ ఆర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీ మాటల్లోనే ఆన్సర్ చేసేసారు డాక్టర్ గారు. And also there are few more questions which I need to ask you, and there are the same questions which are on my screen as well right now I'm seeing. One is that how do we take care of diabetic people who are elderly, cancer and HIV patients? ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళ ఇమ్యూనిటీకి మేమేమి చేయాలి?
Sure. So let's say diabetics unnaru. The most important thing a diabetic person can do is to take care of your sugars. If your sugars are too high or even too low, your immunity is going to be bad.
Right.
So ఎంత వరకు కంట్రోల్డ్ రేంజ్ లో ఉన్నది అని అంటే అంత మంచి ఇమ్యూనిటీ ఉంటుంది. కొంతమంది నా దగ్గరకు వస్తారు 200, 300 ఉంది అని అంటారు షుగర్. బానే ఉంది అనుకుంటాను, మాకేం కనిపించట్లేదు, మాకేం అనిపించట్లేదు అని. బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ట్రూలీ నాట్ గుడ్. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు షుగర్స్ ని డెఫినెట్లీ కంట్రోల్లో తెచ్చుకోవాలి. మీ డాక్టర్స్ తో మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. ఫాస్టింగ్ షుగర్స్ అంటే పొద్దున్న తినక ముందు ఉన్న షుగర్స్ 100, 120 ఆ రేంజ్ లో ఉండాలి. మరీ ఎక్కువ ఉండొద్దు, మరీ తక్కువ ఉండొద్దు అండి.
Right.
అండ్ వేరే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, లెట్స్ సే హెచ్ఐవి పేషెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు హెచ్ఐవికి కరెక్ట్ మెడిసిన్స్ వాడాలి. వేరే ఏదైనా కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నా కానీ అలాంటి వాటిలో లోయెస్ట్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ డ్రగ్స్ అలాంటివి వాడుకోవాలి. దాంతో మన ఇమ్యూనిటీస్ పెరుగుతాయి.
So they have to maintain their normal levels. Right, Dr. Garu, thank you so much. I request you to be on hold with us. And చాలా questions వస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కి ఇమ్యూనిటీ కి చాలా దగ్గర సంబంధం ఉందని మనం వింటూ వస్తున్నాం. మరి కేవలం మందులు మాత్రమే కాదు, ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కూడా ఎలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుందో చెప్పడానికి I have yet another expert who is going to join us right now. May I welcome Dr. P. Sharath Kumar Garu. Dr. Sharath Garu is an orthopedic and sports and exercise medicine consultant. He has more than 30 years of orthopedic experience, and he's also the licensed doctor for IPL Mumbai Indians team. Special interest over the sports and exercise medicine. Namaste, Dr. Garu, Dr. Sharath.
Namaste. Thank you very much. And thanks a lot. Yeah, I know these are very difficult times.
Exercise is the key అని మనం అనుకుంటూ ఉంటాం కదా డాక్టర్ గారు. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఇస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అని మనం వింటున్నాం ఇప్పుడు. సో రియల్లీ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కి ఇమ్యూనిటీకి సంబంధం ఎంత వరకు ఉంది చెప్పండి.
See, exercise another for it's very well established when it comes to exercise, and for many chronic diseases, diabetes, heart problems, obesity, arthritis, osteoporosis, it is well established and people are aware. Not many people are aware that exercise also improves one's immunity. In fact, way back in 1989, they formed the International Society of Exercise Immunology.
Exercise immunology?
Yeah, there is a society way back in 89. Only nowadays we are hearing about exercise and immunology, but it's been there. And it has a very significant role in many conditions, particularly in infections, but also in cancers. Many types of cancers can be, the incidence can be reduced almost I think in some type of colonic cancers, the ones, people who exercise, it is almost 40% low.
Okay.
So not only even in prostate cancer, breast cancers, so many cancers, the 20%, 15%, the incidence is less. So exercise immunology has a big role in infections, in dealing with cancers, and also in autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes, in SLE, in rheumatoid arthritis. So there is a big role for exercise to improve the immunological status. So people who
Dr.
don't...
I need to interrupt you here.
Yes.
Now that you've established that exercise is very important, but the times right now are forcing us to keep indoors. For example, my son who's a skater, who's represented Team India, who's always physically active, I have to put him indoors. I can't let him go out now. How do I help him now? Or many
First, let me congratulate you and your son for doing. But irrespective of the condition, we have to exercise as much as we can.
Okay.
First thing is stay safe. That is the top priority, first priority. He has to be indoor.
Okay.
And when it comes to the exercise part, you need to modify his training, whatever we can. How old is he?
He's now 20.
20 years. So there are a lot of exercises, at least he has to maintain his fitness. Otherwise, with time, gradually his stamina, his strength, all these things will come down. So detraining can occur. So it's extremely important for him to do some kind of exercise. Say he is housebound now, so at least probably he can try cycling, he can do yoga, skipping. So every day he has to put some time specifically for exercises. Otherwise, detraining, then it will be very difficult for him to come back to a competitive level. And it's important to keep his motivation high, and that sportiveness he has to.
Yeah. And how about who are non-sports person, who are not very physically active, but for them exercise is like, once in a while that they get to gyms, once in a while that they get to parks. Exercise for most of us is like one activity where you come back.
Yes, unfortunately, our exercise or physical activity is very, very less. Almost, I think, 70%, 80% don't do enough exercise, and it is extremely important. True. Particularly in this time, you have to perk up your immunity. So one has to do exercises regularly, any type, It need not be just going to a gym and doing exercises, even doing some gardening or yoga or doing work, washing some utensils. All these
Okay.
things are like physical activity, and that has got a, benefit.
Right. There's a question, Sharath Garu. Vinay is asking here. Gyms are closed. Walking is risky considering COVID is airborne antunaru. So how much time do I spend indoors and how do I exercise?
Yeah, very pertinent, but that's what is happening the last almost 4 months now. It's 117 days. The problem has started. So it is extremely important, as I said, to do whatever physical activity you can do. If you are in a place where you can go out, go for cycling, go for running. So you cannot involve in team sports and things like that, but alone, I feel one can do.
Correct.
Yeah, not only, as I said, physical activity in the house. Nowadays, I'm seeing a lot of patients coming with problems like neck pain and back pain because their
Work from
activity is.
home, doctor.
Yes,
We are
yes.
all work from home. We are sitting at the laptop with not proper ergonomics at home. We need to.
Yes, so that has suddenly increased. A lot of patients are coming with muscle issues and joint problems. It's
Okay.
because they are not used to even these light work. And all of a sudden, when they do, it's becoming too much for their system. So they have to start slowly, gradually build on both stamina and strength. So that is I would say, the treatment for that.
Right. Dr. Sharath, one quick and interesting observation that I made that we are all concentrating more on pranayama, breathing exercise and all. Will that breathing exercise help lungs and boost immunity? That is one. Venkateshwar Rao Garu is asking one question who says, Corona immunity vyayamam emanna unda? Is there anything which is specific to Corona immunity and exercise?
I think general fitness will help Corona also.
Correct.
When you do exercises, when you have neck pain, doesn't mean that you should do only neck exercises. You have to do a whole body exercise and specifically for this. So when you exercise, your overall immunity will help and that will also take care of Corona. And the other thing you are talking about yoga, I think there is a lot of research. It does help lungs a lot, particularly for pneumonia prevention and all these things. It's extremely important. There was, I think 2-3 days back also, there's a publication, research, which has shown, this is a study from Harvard and MIT. They are saying that these are the only two things which help is yoga and meditation.
Right.
So that is extremely, positive thing, I feel. So practicing yoga is a very good habit and we should all inculcate it.
Right, Samir Mohantri, I think your question is answered here. You've asked the same question and you should inculcate practice Surya Namaskara every day according to doctor. Yes. Dr. Garu, immunity and stress. Veetu madhyalo unna link enti? How are they related?
I know, looking at the newspaper itself will increase our stress levels.
Yeah. And
So they are
sharing
difficult.
WhatsApp shares and forwards will increase stress.
Absolutely. So in today's atmosphere, the financial conditions, the social, the psychological issues, they are certainly raising one's stress levels. It can increase some hormones which can cause immunosuppression,
Right.
particularly cortisol. So for this, again, the treatment is, I would say, again, physical activity, and they increase the good feel hormones, particularly endorphins and serotonin. So exercise is again the treatment for stress.
Yeah.
And it's important to, the way we think. One has to be positive. Your attitude has to be always positive.
Right.
Yeah.
So one question before I move on to audience's questions. Dr. Sharath Garu, you are a joint replacement surgeon and your expertise calls for it. So people who are elderly, as Dr. Ravi Garu was mentioning, immunity takku untundi. People who have undergone, elderly people who have undergone joint replacement surgeries, movement takkuga untundi. So between both of you, so in elderly who had joint replacement surgeries, how do they take care of their movement and immunity?
Yeah, again, all type of exercises, whatever they can do, all type of physical activities, that will help them. And say we do a knee replacement or hip replacement, we always give them some exercise program, which is not just for 1 week or 2 weeks. They have to continue for good.
Yeah.
People who are strong, the stress on the joints or the stress on the implants is less. Muscles are like shock absorbers, so they need to continue with all the exercises. Even gentle yoga-like exercises can be done.
Right. So they
But they have to be careful. They shouldn't put undue pressure on the joints, but they can do most of the exercise, not all.
Correct. Dr. Sharath, I would want you to be here with me on the screen while I invite Dr. Ravi Kiran Garu back onto the screen.
Okay.
Ravi Garu, there's one question where audience are asking me here. Mr. Dikshit is asking me, transplant patients are on immune suppression. So, andarukinemo immune boost అని అంటున్నారు. What measures do we take transplant patients ఏం చేయాలి?
That's a very small group and a unique group of patients.
True.
అలాంటి వాళ్ళు చాలా protected ఉండాలి. If it is possible to decrease their immune suppression drugs, that would be good. But that has to be done along with your transplant doctors.
Oh, okay.
You just cannot do it by yourself. This is a little tricky అండి. మీ డాక్టర్స్ తో మాట్లాడండి, మీరు వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడి, if it is possible, then you can decrease your immunity suppressing drugs. ఎంత high immunity drugs ఉన్నాయనంటే అంత ఎక్కువ రిస్క్ ఉంటుంది. I've already seen a few patients who've had COVID, who had transplants.
Okay.
And the people who have done well have had lesser immunosuppression drugs or dosages.
Okay. Just one more question. Thank you so much for answering that question, Dr. Garu. Rajani garu adigaru, roju kashayam tagi stomach upset avutundi, roju tagala, and will that really?
వద్దండి, నాకు చాలా మంది పేషెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు అలా చేస్తున్నారు, కషాయం తాగుతున్నారు, కడుపు అంతా ఎలానో అనిపిస్తుంది, సో ఇంకేం తినట్లేదు వాళ్ళు. సో అలా చేయకండి, మీరు రెగ్యులర్ ఫుడ్స్ తినండి, కషాయం ఏదైనా కొంచెం తాగాలని తాగండి, కానీ దాంతో కడుపు పాడు చేసుకోకండి, ఆరోగ్యం పాడు చేసుకోకండి.
Correct. Yeah. And any of the doctors who are here and the right person to answer, please answer. What is this iPulse, and do I take iPulse while I'm in diabetes? This is a question. Samir is asking the question. What is iPulse juice? I don't know. Samir, if you can just come back onto the chat and ask the question again. That is one.
I don't know what that is.
Immunity boost.
Same with me. I haven't heard about it.
Correct. So what is it that, are there anything which are, there is so much of market around immunity boosters right now. Seriously, doctors, do you think it will help? The immunity boosters which are available in the market, do you think I can buy one from off the shelf and boost my immunity instantly?
Personally, I would say no. There is no specific drug, medicine, food which will just boost your immunity. If you don't follow the basics, nothing else will really help you. And all of those have questionable benefit, definitely not been proven in any clinical trial.
Okay. Right.
I fully agree with Dr. Ravi. Yes.
Okay. Sharath garu, another question can I ask you? Venkateshwar Raju garu adugutunnaru, immunity ela check chesukovali? Is there a test or something now? Can I check my immunity?
One can do a simple blood test. It will just show the degree of cells which work. But I don't think that's going to help, because most of us have normal levels.
Yeah.
There's no test which is going to say that one is at risk.
Okay, done. Sharath garu, one more question for you. I think specifically to you. I'm 69-year-old. This is Tripura Yalagadda. Footballers need 30 years ago, not operated, ligaments are intact, but I cannot sit on the floor for exercise. Any exercises in specific?
So if you have difficulty sitting down, then it is better to lie down on a bed or a big sofa like that, and one can do a lot of floor exercises. Okay. That will keep particularly all the big muscles, the quadriceps and the hamstring. He can do exercises, but without sitting down.
Right. More on this question, I think, Tripura Garu, you can meet Dr. Sharath Garu on Apollo 24/7. You can book a consultation basically with him on the app. You can download the app. You can ask for the doctor's consultation. They'll chat. They'll see the audio chat or a video chat, and they'll be able to specific like liver transplant వాళ్ళు రవికిరణ్ గారిని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, శరత్ గారిని కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, however that you want to directly కొన్ని questions ఇలాంటి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద ఆన్సర్ చేయలేము. I think doctors will agree with me on that. Yeah. Dr. Ravi garu, there's one more question for you అండి. Children కి specific గా ఏమైనా feeding mothers and very infants కి immunity boost చేయడానికి ఏం చేయాలి?
First, let's say there is a mother who is breastfeeding a baby. That breast milk is the best nutrition that a child can get. It has the most amount of vitamins and antibodies that will protect. But that is true only if the mother herself is in a good condition. Mother manchiki tinatledu anante she cannot pass on anything else to the baby. So mother should eat right. That will pass on to the baby as she is breastfeeding. Our phase tarvata, as children start growing up, especially mana areas lo, they tend to give only one type of food.
Okay.
And that is not good. You start introducing pediatricians to maatadandi, me doctors toni, when the age is right, and they will tell you at what age you can introduce what foods.
Okay.
But most Indian children are very limited, especially in the early phases.
Right.
Alanti valaki multivitamins are very, very essential. And variety of foods are important. So try to give much larger varieties instead of just one thing. And some of those, if they are very, very picky eaters, only ide tintanu vere asalu muttukono nenu taaganu anattunte, alanti vallaki maybe there is a role for multivitamins for those children.
Okay. Dr. Sharath garu, there's a question of, can we walk outdoors where there's very little provision to go outside if it's a gated community or something? Can I walk with a mask on? Won't that reduce the airflow? Mr. Pandu Raju is asking this question.
Yeah, there is a lot of studies on this. I think as long as he's just walking, a mask is, I think he can wear. But when somebody is running, particularly at a high intensity, that can cause problems. So walking, I feel, should be all right. It's a personal decision he needs to do.
Okay. Dr. Ravikiran garu, one more question to you. The season has changed so much. We are seeing the seasonal colds and flus which are also there, and corona. How do we distinguish between the normal cold and corona?
At this point you really cannot. That's very unfortunate. Kani ee times lo evarikaina gaani daggu, jalubu, jaram, ముక్కుల నుంచి కారడం, తలనొప్పులు అలాంటి ఏమైనా వస్తున్నాయనంటే it is impossible to pretty much differentiate between a common cold or influenza or COVID. దానికి డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి and what probably needed testing to differentiate. At this point of time, I assume that if you get a viral infection, it is COVID rather than anything else. First, we have to assume and try to rule it out. COVID unda leda anadi. Adi telusukunnakane, then we can do something else. If we can find out early on, then we can take more measures, at least to prevent others from getting infected. And also if there is something that you can do to limit any infection.
Okay. Yes, that is very important, but seasonal colds ani anukunte kanka, now that Apollo also has, Apollo 24/7 has come up with a symptom checker. More than 15 million people have tried with their symptoms. Next step lo meme mimmalni kalavali anukunte, I think you're always there for the consultation. Yes. Apollo 24/7 lo meme mimmalni consult cheyochu. Done. And fruits, vegetables, ivi oka ettu, meats oka ettu. What kind of vegetarian or non-vegetarian madhilo, what do you suggest, Andy?
Again, it's your personal preference, and everybody has their own personal beliefs, backgrounds, cultural and religious viewpoints. Yeah. And I don't say you have to particularly eat one or the other. It has been shown over and over that a balanced diet, whether it's vegetarian or non-vegetarian, is helpful. And it is your personal choice, Andy. I will not ask anybody to break their beliefs to eat certain type of food.
Okay.
There's enough variety and enough nutrition that can be obtained from either one. Some vitamins and minerals may not be there in certain foods, which can be supplemented through other ways.
Done. Okay. Phlegm clear cheyadaniki what do I do అని అడుగుతున్నారండి. అంటే సీజనల్ గా వచ్చిన వీటి గురించి. Uneasiness in chest, will that be a symptom of COVID? You know, these are all the symptoms where people are panicking.
అవునండి. You have to know whether something is seasonal or not, okay, and something which is out of ordinary or not. Let's say every time ఈ టైమ్స్ లో రైనీ సీజన్ స్టార్ట్ కాగానే ఎవరికైనా జలుబు వస్తుంది. If that is your usual practice and మళ్ళీ అలానే వచ్చింది and it seems the same, it may be the same, but still I would caution అండి, ఎందుకంటే there is so much COVID and people are not getting evaluation and then they are running into problems. Better do over evaluation at this point rather than missing out on something. Especially అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి. Let's say I get infected, but I am living with my children or with my parents. I may be fine. I may think that I am just having a common cold. But somebody who has a lesser immunity, I may pass it to them and they might get worse. And that is the trend that we see almost every single day. Older people who are coming in very, very sick have been infected by their children or grandchildren.
Right. Right. So మీరు అన్నట్టుగా అతి జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండడంలో తప్పు లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా సరే కోవిడ్ అనే పర్స్పెక్టివ్ నుంచి తీసుకుని దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మూవ్ ఫర్దర్ సీజన్. అండ్ శరత్ గారు, ఎనీ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ దట్ యూ వుడ్ వాంట్ టు షేర్? A lot of people that I've understood that are asking for what kind of exercises other than the walking and yoga that you suggested.
One is to build stamina. For that, as you just mentioned, walking, brisk walking, cycling, these are fine. At home, they can do simple stretches exercise depending on where their ideally whole body. Yoga is probably a complete exercise. Say somebody has say neck problems, then they have to do exercises around the neck. So from front, they press, hold, say count 10. How much pressure they put is up to them. Say it can be 20. Say if there is a lot of pain, they can put 20%. Say if they can tolerate 50. So depending on your symptoms, they need to do all these exercises. So they can also see any physiotherapist who will also guide. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you
So
so
stretching.
much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Stretching. Yes, you were talking something about stretching before.
So the general exercise are stretching exercises and strengthening exercise. Both are important.
Right. Thank you so much, doctors. I would want you to please kindly stay back because people are asking a lot of questions. We'll take the questions a little while later. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I'll look forward to getting back to you. Well, lovely chat that I can see, very engaging. Apollo 247 lo ee doctors ni meeru, if you require to consult them for any specific reason, you can download the app and also book a consultation there. Well, now time to win some prizes. Let me ask you a question. My quiz number 1 is coming up. You quickly type the answer on the inbox, chat box lone meer type cheyandi, and the winner will be declared towards the end of the show. Once the winner is declared, you will have to send an email to the address which is being shown on the screen, marketing@apollo247.com, and the gift will be delivered at your doorstep. So get ready. Quiz number 1. The first question that I'm going to ask you today: red blood cells are produced in which part of the body? Red blood cells are produced in which part of the human body? So if you know the answer, go ahead and type. I'll declare the winner towards the end of the show. Let's see if there are any answers. Inka answers raledu. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes. Now let's move on. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏ డౌట్ వచ్చినా సరే వెంటనే ఏం చేయాలి? డాక్టర్ని అడగాలి. కానీ డాక్టర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు? Doctors from Apollo hospitals are coming to your palm, right into your hand. Apollo 247 is giving you entire Apollo hospital physical features into one. So I now invite Dr. Neetal Vijayasen Garu to join us on the show. Dr. Neetal Vijayasen Garu.
Good morning, Ms. Jhansi, and good morning, everybody. How are you guys? I hope all of you doing well.
Yes. And last week you have launched this cuff scanner, which is immensely beneficial. Thank you so much, Apollo 247 and Apollo entire group, for giving this cuff scanner. I see that it's such an easy thing. Everybody, सबको मैं बोल रही हूँ, अरे कुछ है क्या symptom? पहले COVID symptom check करो, उसके बाद में cuff scanner download करके check करो. How is it doing, Dr. Neetal?
Oh, we've got thousands of people who've downloaded that, and interestingly, it's an artificial intelligence-driven tool where it explains, it helps you reduce your anxiety to see, okay, what condition you're in right now. Is your health condition towards COVID, or is your cough worrisome? You need to really consult a doctor. So even before you go to a hospital or a doctor, you can already assess yourself and see which stage you are in. And this is just one simple cough. You just cough in the tool and answer a few questions, and it gives you an assessment of what state of cough you're in.
Okay.
Would you need help? Would you need a consultation? That's all it is. It's so simple.
Right. I can see the quick answers coming in somebody's heart, that somebody's saying bone marrow, red blood cells, full body. Okay. So quiz questions ostune unnai Nitin garu. I'll keep.
Yeah, I know.
All right. So cough scanner easy ga cheyochu అని అనుకుంటున్నాను కదండి. But are there seasonal coughs కూడా ఉన్నాయి? Will the AI and the chatbot detect these seasonal infections as well?
See, it doesn't detect an infection though, but what it does is, it needn't be cough related to COVID. It could be cough related to anything. But then the serious questions we have, depending on your medical history and other details that we ask in the tool, it gives you perspective. Do you need to worry about your cough? Or you can just relax and don't do anything. It's just a dry cough. It'll just fade away. You're not a diabetic, not a hypertensive. You do not have other risk factors. Sit at home and enjoy yourself and have a quality of life. But then, if the results shows something worrisome, moderate to high risk of these specific diseases, then you have a bunch of things that you need to do. Call a helpline, consult a doctor, follow these precautions, follow these steps, and there we are to help you to what to do.
Correct.
Make sure everything is clear.
So once we download the cough scanner or the COVID risk analysis symptoms, everything is here in Apollo 24/7.
Absolutely.
I
It's so simple as
so
that.
convenient, Dr. Neetal Vijayasen. I can tell you that I've done this in my phone. I've shown it to my father, who feels that this is very convenient.
Oh, how did you find that?
Yes, quite easy is
Helpful?
what
Yeah.
I think. It's very
Absolutely.
easy. I was checking who are the doctors who are available and what. किधर के पूरे डॉक्टर्स के नाम आते हैं वहां पर. इतने सारे डॉक्टर्स available, and how many hours that the doctor is available in?
15 minutes, minimum 15 minutes. You have a specialist and super specialist available,
Exactly.
and throughout the day, throughout the night.
And not just book a doctor's consultation. You can do so much from Apollo 24/7.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you can just brief us through the features in the app.
Yes. So before I just talk to you about like how Ms. Jhansi said to everybody and to Ms. Jhansi as well, this is an omni-channel where you can actually not just consult a doctor, but there are so many features. You can book doctor's consultation with the super specialist around the clock, right? We have about 6,000 doctors who are available today. You can order medicines and get delivered within a click of a finger, right? You can order tests, diagnostic tests, where people come to your house and collect. You don't have to go out anywhere. So you're safe at home. These guys come in, practice all proper sterile techniques, draw your sample, your blood, urine, or whatever, and then go back and deliver the reports online. And then for chronic diseases, we have a special program called a digital therapeutics, chronic disease management program, where we don't just give you medicines for hypertension and diabetes and then let you go. You come back after 6 months and we don't know what's happened throughout.
Correct.
But here we stay connected with you. We counsel you. We ensure we put our psychologists, counselors, diet management program experts, doctors, specialists after you to make sure we evaluate you in a proper care plan protocol and tell you what to do, how to follow up with your disease, how to get your life to an excellent quality of life. So that is how we manage a chronic disease. So that one condition, service we have on the app. And yes, of course, we have coronavirus helpline 24/7, where a doctor is available throughout around the clock to answer your questions, and mental well-being test to see mentally. We're all anxious today. We're all worried today. Is it corona? I have a scratch in my back. Is it corona? I have a scratch in my leg. Is it corona? Go there. Do an assessment. It helps you, right? That's how it's works.
True. It is very reassuring in such times. And I must say, Dr. Neetal, if I'm not cutting in between you, that the entire structure of taking care of patient is so well designed in Apollo 24/7 app that somebody remotely contacted me from Srikakulam, whose son is in Hyderabad and who's tested positive, and they wanted some kind of help immediately from me because I'm in Hyderabad. And I said, where do I look out for? Apollo 24/7. Luckily, I started on this program and I knew that Apollo Kavach is there like a shield to help. And I passed on the Kavach. Remotely,
See,
the parents took care of the child.
that's a classic example. I'm really glad that you actually went through and promoted that. Likewise, I had a friend who had a headache and her doctor wasn't available for some reason.
Yeah.
I said, just go find out there's a presence of neurologist or any other relative doctor for your migraine. She actually consulted just now, half hour ago.
Oh.
She said, Dr. Neetal, at his jiff of a finger, I just had to download this app. Within a few minutes, he was available in 15 minutes. And things that never happened the last 20 years happen now. So I'm not bragging about it, but it's convenience. It's an availability, presence of doctors online. Yeah.
That's nice.
So I think while that's happening, a lot of people are still apprehensive. Now, maybe they do not want to talk to the doctors. Maybe they have, symptoms with them. What do I do when I have symptoms? What do I do when I know I've gotten exposed to somebody? Should I sit at home? What do I do? I don't know what to do now. So what we have done is we've introduced a program called Apollo Kavach program.
Okay.
Now, this is a very special program which takes care of you during your isolation. Where do you get isolated? In your home, or we have a facility in the hotels through the country. There's a helpline that you need to call, and you call that helpline, you book a room in the hotel, you stay there for 14 days. We have a nurse consulting you every day, taking your vitals, temperature, oxygen saturation and all that. We have a doctor consulting you every day for 14 days to make sure we do not ignore you, we do not abandon you. We take care of you for 14 days. At home, at hotel as well. And the basic package starts from as minimal as 300 rupees per day with a physician consulting and a nurse supervisor calling you.
Yeah.
At home, yeah.
At home, that is.
Yeah. And we tell you what to do. Everybody knows that they have to be isolated, but then there's no doctor who they're talking to. In this program, you're connected with the best of specialists, and I'm secured. I know I'm covered now, right?
True. So the hotel program that you were mentioning,
Yeah.
that you have tied up, do I have different ranges of hotels which are available?
Yes,
You know, my
absolutely.
Budget
Yeah.
constraints?
Yes,
and everything?
you have not huge range, but definitely yes, because different hotels have different programs and costs. You could, click onto the helpline, call them, and the helpline is 24/7. You could actually book a room and stay there for 14 days. While at home, we also give you an excellent kit, which has multitude of, items that there are there, like a pulse oximeter, your
Which I can see on the
masks.
screen, actually.
Yeah, you can just see there. This kit is available for 5,999, and we deliver within 6 hours of ordering. And with this, you know that you have everything to protect yourself against COVID, most of it, at
Okay.
least.
Done.
So-
you anyway brought up the pulse oximeter.
Yeah,
So I have this pulse oximeter from last time. It's become a lovely and favorite toy at home.
And it's easy to carry.
It's easy to carry. This little pulse oximeter is actually taking care of the disinfectant spray and this. I'll tell you, I have a simple question. My niece is 3-year-old, the youngest one in the family, and my father is the eldest one in the family, who's touching 80 now.
Okay.
So the oximeter levels, though we are in the same place, everybody has a different oxygen saturation.
Yeah,
Is
it
this
does.
normal?
Yeah, absolutely. See, what happens is the environment that we're around in, each room, but the standard oxygen content in the air is close to about 21%. That's what we breathe in.
Okay.
Now, the oxygen saturation in your body has to be ideally between 95 to 98, 9900, but anything between 90 and 100 is safe. But if it's falling down constantly below that, then there's a thing to worry. So you may have 98, I may have 96. So it's the way the body is structured,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So that's
So-
as simple as that.
So that's nice. So we take care of our oxygen saturation, and that's how you keep a tab on how you're moving in COVID, right?
So see, 20 years ago, it was for you to check a BP, you had to go to a clinic. Then people started being aware of buying BP machines themselves, digital machines. Today is the day today is the period, a moment that you have to have a pulse ox with you, right? Which tells you that this is oxygen saturation. So it's very helpful. Let's see how it works and what it does.
Yeah.
Coronavirus can cause hypoxemia, leading to lower levels of oxygen and may cause breathlessness. Early detection of hypoxemia is essential during the COVID-19 pandemic to avoid critical conditions later. Easily Keep a check of your blood oxygen levels at home. Pulse oximeter, easy, convenient and safe.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Neetal, for sharing such information, valuable information on Apollo 247. If
My pleasure.
people haven't downloaded Apollo 247 app yet onto your mobile phones, please go ahead and do it right now. It's easy and convenient. Dr. Neetal, before I invite the other doctors, one quick question to you. There are a lot of people who are asking me many questions about the app and the features, the helpline number, which I think we'll all share pretty soon. But why no COVID test in the app is a question which is repeatedly appearing.
I'm sorry, say this. Can you repeat that
Why
again?
no COVID test through the app?
Okay, so COVID test is not a regular test that you just go and get done. And as on today, it may be available free, right? When I say freely available for you to just walk in and get it done. Today, there's a criteria for you to get tested. Just because I have cold and cough, we don't test it because it's an expensive affair and it's not easily available. So there are criteria. We have directions from the ICMR and the government. So we've got to comply to all that and make sure people who really require it today will be tested. So it's important that we identify and follow the criteria and test it.
Right. And people who have been asking the helpline numbers and the cup scanner, the Apollo 247 app links, the links have been shared in the chat box. Please go ahead, check and share this information, which is so valuable, such an interesting cup scanner that Apollo 247 is made. So thank you so much, Dr. Neetal. I now request Dr. Ravi Garu to be back with us. Dr. Ravi Garu, there's one interesting observation that somebody has asked. Will hot water help us? Sipping hot water. Is it good to drink hot water? Prakash Biru is asking this.
Okay. There is really no benefit to drinking hot water. So many people are drinking hot water. Only thing, it will burn your throat, but not necessarily do too much.
Warm water in the season? That's my question, personal question.
Yeah. So hot water really by itself does not really do anything.
Okay.
So people are saying there's lots of, I've had those WhatsApp forwards also. Hot water tagute, adi surface lo first stage lane champestadi ani.
Okay.
It does not work like that. You don't fully understand the virus pathology. Virus okasari cell lopaliki vellipoyindi anukondi. Once it sticks on the cells and goes inside the cells, hot water does not do anything. So the more hot water you drink, it is just going to kill all the other cells also. It really does not do anything.
Right. And Navya is asking one more quick question. That is, are rashes a symptom of COVID? Do I need to take alert of anything?
No, I don't think so. It is probably something else. Ippadivarakite rashes I have not seen, just with rashes. Nobody has come with COVID just with rashes.
Right. Thank you so much, doctors, for your valuable time. I'll get back to you, Dr. Ravi Garu, with a few more questions. But right now, while we are talking so much about, Apollo's convenience through the apps, you might be thinking, once I start getting into doctor's consultations, where do I buy my medicines when I can't step out? So Apollo 247 also has got the convenience of buying medicines right from your doorstep. Now I have Mr. Arpan who's going to join us, Mr. Arpan Chatterjee, Senior Marketing Manager from Apollo Pharmacy. Hello, Mr. Arpan.
Namaste, Apollo. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, all of you.
Very interesting mask I see. Colorful and interesting mask.
Yes, ma'am. This is a home designed mask. It has been woven by my mother. Okay. But however, yes, I think now that Corona is going on, a little bit of, I would prefer color coding my masks as per my dresses. So, all right, I guess.
I was just about to ask you, can I buy that mask from Apollo 247? So.
Definitely. We have a variety of masks available at the Apollo pharmacies in the doorsteps. By the way, we have 3,900 odd Apollo pharmacies across India. And with Apollo 247, the power of those 3,900 pharmacies is coming on our palm to our mobile. And yes, we can definitely buy masks, not just masks. I have my personal kavacham, the air sanitizer, the alcohol hand drops, the face shields, everything is available at Apollo, and all the customer needs to do is go and order it on Apollo 247 and download it in the first place.
Correct. And once I download, what I've understood is, Arpanji, that I can within Hyderabad, you're delivering it in 4 hours. Yeah, that is a very interesting observation last time that you made, and I thought, will this happen? But it did happen. Once you order within Hyderabad, 4 hours express delivery is happening.
It is definitely happening, ma'am. In Hyderabad, we have a huge number of pharmacies, close to 700 odd pharmacies. So yes, we do manage a 4-hour express delivery. Within 4 hours, we get the medicines delivered to the doorstep in a majority of the localities in Hyderabad, and not just Hyderabad. Let me take a cue here and tell all the residents of the other cities like Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Chennai, that we deliver in these cities also on the same day. As long as we get the order within 3 p.m. afternoon, we deliver it the same day. Even if the medicines are not available, we will take some time, maybe like 48 hours, and we'll arrange the medicine for the customer. We will do our bit to ensure that the customer never has to step out of his home. And not just the medicines, also products like your regular household products like the toothpaste, toothbrushes. Yes, we have them. We do have them. Tea.
Yes, I was surprised to see that you have not just medical essentials, but also household essentials that I saw on the app.
Yeah, definitely. We have these kinds of products.
And also suggestions which were being given. You might want this.
Yes. The Apollo 247 app has a unique feature wherein once if you order products via this app, moving forward, you would be getting reminders from 247 saying that you had ordered so and so medicine in the past. Would you like to order this again? And this is especially helpful to the senior citizens, like who are chronic patients. They need medicines once every 15 or 30 days. So we will take care of that bit also. And even for pregnant women, we have a lot of products like baby powder, baby cream, baby food. We can ensure all of these are home delivered at a customer's convenience.
Right. So there's one, as I'm talking to you, Arpan, I'm just checking. Mr. Raj is asking, they say same day delivery and there's no customer service number to contact.
There is a customer service number. Apollo has a number 1-860-500-0101. It's the customer service toll number for Apollo Pharmacy. And let me reassure Mr. Raj that whenever he places an order, there is a team that's tracking all the orders at the back end for every customer. We will provide an update to the customer even before we attempt a delivery. In case if we are unable to deliver, we will still update the customer. We will provide timely updates to the customer about what his order status is, and 99% of the times we will ensure that the products are delivered on the same day, as long as it is in metro cities.
Yeah. May I cut in here, Arpan? I think this is once you order through the app.
Yes.
If you've ordered directly with the pharmacy, that is a different bit. But
if you have ordered directly, if you ordered directly with the pharmacy, you would need to follow up with the pharmacy, or the pharmacy guy might follow up with you. But Apollo 247 makes this problem easier. If you order via 247, we provide timely updates, and also we will keep you posted on what the order progresses.
Also, the payment options which are easier on the app. Multiple options.
Yes, definitely. Like any day, we have a cash on delivery traditional option, which majority of the Indians prefer. Now with the COVID situation, with this time where people are avoiding transacting in cash, we also provide an option of payment via net banking, payment via cards. Okay, and we at Apollo are working continuously to bring new payment options on board. So you may also as well see new payments coming up in the near future, new payment options. But as of now, we have both cashless and cash payment options available.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Arpan. Running short of time, so I'll have to cut here with you and move on with my next session, because we
definitely, ma'am. It's my pleasure to help out the customers. And let me just quickly tell this to all the customers, even if it's for your relatives or for your parents who stay in a different city, Apollo 247 has an option of adding their address and getting medicines delivered to your relatives' doorsteps. So please download the app, see it for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And my next quiz question is coming up. Here's a chance for you to win. This question is, which feature on the Apollo 247 app helps you download and access all your health documents, which is that one tab that you see where in Apollo 247, which helps you access all your health documents. Please answer the question in the chat box. Winner's name will be announced towards the end. And once the winner is announced, please email to us so that we can deliver your gift to the doorstep. The email ID is right there on the screen, marketing@apollo247. All right, quickly, now there's so much COVID things we are talking about being safe in the society. I have Apollo clinics which are taking care. I have Mr. Pavan Kumar, brand manager from Apollo Clinic. Namaste, Pavan Garu.
Namaste, Jhansi Garu.
Pavan Garu, is wonderful seeing that Apollo is reaching out to the resident welfare and the society. What is the Safe Society program that you are planning?
Safe Society program is all about disinfecting your complete society from end to end. Old people, senior citizens, and your chronic patients, and small kids who comes out of the houses for the park or something else. So keeping all this thing, so we have brought this Safe Society program by implementing 4 F's, which is safety for self, safety for family, safety for society, and also for safety for transit. So this 4S program is helpful for complete society, which is an end-to-end solution for disinfection program. So if you see in the screen, if you have the safety for self, we provide, if a person wants safety for himself or for family, we provide a tunnel at the society where they can pass through the tunnel for the sanitization. Individual screening will happen. And the most fantastic feature is like we provide nurse and doctor available on site at the society.
Wonderful. So even how do we reach out to you, Mr. Pavan?
You can see that in the Apollo 24/7 app. Probably you can give the lead, or if the people are interested, probably you can pass on your information. Our team will contact you on this.
All right.
So it's not about self, but we also have for family, because we also give some guidelines how to make sure your family or your house is protected from these viruses. And we also provide some gloves, sanitizers, and safety booklets for the family. For example, for the societies, kids comes out and senior citizens go for the walk in the evening. So you have so many common amenities inside your societies, like swimming pools, clubhouses, gyms. Though they are not available as of now, but they may also be. Some people might touch something, and that may go wrong. So we also disinfect the complete amenities, the common amenities, or all the other platforms which are commonly used by the society members. And we also do a health check and antigen test, rapid antigen test at the on-site of the society, which helps the people to identify or detect the person who is COVID symptomatic or asymptomatic on an easy and faster way, so that the persons can be protected.
Right. So this is like on any levels, Safe Society is not just one person or one community. It's all of our responsibility.
Yes. We'll give a service to a person or to the complete society also. We also do a sanitization, disinfection. One more point. I'm so sorry to disturb. One more point. We also do a disinfection program for the vehicles which are coming inside and outside of the societies also.
Which is very important. Yes.
You can't restrict people going out and coming in without vehicles. So we also do the complete disinfection program. It's an end-to-end program which is absolutely benefited for the societies and as well as for the individual persons who are living in the society.
Great, Pavan Garu. Thank you. And people who want a safe society will definitely reach out to you. And it's not just at an individual level, it's at a community level. Thank you, Pavan Garu, once again.
Thank you.
All right. So I can see a lot of quiz questions, answers, health records, and kontamandi Apollo Kavach and kontamandi cheptunnaru. Apollo Kavach is the wrong answer. Health records is the right answer. A lot of people who have been saying Kumar Kare, Neeraj Gupta, all of you have got the right answers. But I'm going to announce the winner's name. Marika Sepatla announced Cheyabothunnanu. But before that, I would like to thank all the doctors, experts who have joined us today. Do you think I have time to continue with one more quiz question. Quickly, guys, will you go ahead and answer one last question? I want to give out discount coupons and vouchers before that. So even before I announce, here comes quiz number 3. How many features are there on Apollo 247 app? Go quickly, last chance. Last question, last chance. How many features are there on Apollo 247 app? Do I see the answers coming in? Yep. Srinivas Rao Garu, you're the first one to answer. 8 is the answer according to him, but I'm not sure how many of you are coming up. All right, even before we take who the winners are, thank you so much, doctors and experts. Health and immunity are in your hands. You guys have to take care with continuous good food according to Dr. Ravi Garu, and good exercise, moderate and good exercise according to Dr. Sharath Garu, and be in touch with your physicians. Do not panic according to Dr. Neetal Garu, who has put everything into you. All the doctors are here right before you. So in your app, Apollo 247, download kijiye and make sure that you are taking care of you, yourself and your family. Right, so I'm going to finish off. Before I sign off, to all the wonderful viewers who have joined us for this live today, we're going to give you out discount coupons and vouchers which you can use through your Apollo 247 app. So the discount voucher, use coupon Apollo 247, where you get a 299 rupees off on the consultation with Apollo doctors. So this has to be used through the app, and coupon medicine 10 to get a 10% off on pharmacy orders. I'm mentioning again that these gift coupons can be used only on the Apollo 247 app. So ensure that you have the app for the safety of yourself. And now for the winners. Let me check who the winners are. Winners' names announced Chestananu. Winners, you have to write a mail to us so that you can collect your gift. The winners are Mr. Appi Reddy, Raj R, and Sudha M. Congratulations. By the way, did I give you the answers? The answer for the first question is bone marrow. Red blood cells are made in bone marrow. Then Apollo 247 health documents are in health records. And Apollo 247 has 8 features. Congratulations, winners. Please write to us and please take care. Thank you so much once again. We shall see you next time in the Health Hour. Download Apollo 247. Bye-bye.